Welcome to Edolab Markets. Today we are going to read real charts, live, using Edo Structure. Edo Structure is a market regime classifier. It does not give you buy or sell signals, and it does not predict the next candle. It answers a question that comes before any trade: what kind of structure is the market in right now, and is it even worth trading? It answers that through 6 clear, stable states. In this video we will see all 6, live, moving through different assets and time frames. Let's start. Before the states, the 2 visual elements. The first is the structure line, the central directional reference. What matters is not its exact level, it is its slope. A slope that is sustained and clear tells you the structure is defined. A slope that flattens, or changes direction, warns you that a transition is coming. Around that line, the indicator draws an upper and a lower band, a dynamic structural range. Price pushing outside the bands is structural impulse. Price inside is correction or consolidation. We are on Apple, on the weekly, and the indicator marks strong bullish. The structure line rising with a firm slope, and price pushing clearly outside the upper band. It is not only direction, it is intensity. The move is expansive and consistent. This is the highest quality bullish context there is. Up here, the indicator draws a compact dashboard, a translation key. It lists all 6 states, and what each one means, so you can read any color on the chart at a single glance. Now let's switch to a different asset, IREN, on the weekly. Same indicator, and now the state reads weak bullish. The bias is still bullish, but notice the difference: price has come back inside the bands. This is a structure that is breathing, a pullback within an uptrend, not necessarily a reversal. If we drop that same asset down to the daily, the reading flips to strong bearish. The slope of the structure line has clearly turned down, and price is now pushing outside the lower band. A defined downtrend, with intensity behind it. On the 5-minute, we get weak bearish. The bias is still down, but price is back inside the bands. This is a correction inside a dominant selling pressure, not a reversal. On the 1-minute, the indicator marks warning. The structure is in the process of redefining itself, the line is crossing, or losing its consistency. Warning is not an entry. It tells you the regime is not formed yet, and the right move is to reduce exposure and wait. And finally, a state that only appears in specific conditions. We switch to SpaceX, a recent listing, on the weekly. Here the indicator marks no trade. There is not enough history to classify the structure line barely exists. When there is no classifiable structure, the only correct decision is not to trade. The 6 states are not 6 labels. They are a cycle, and the order in which they appear is information in itself. A healthy trend alternates between strong and weak, expansion outside the band, pullback back inside, expansion again. While it keeps alternating between those two, the regime is intact. Warning is the hinge. When the slope flattens and the reading turns to warning, the market is not choosing sides yet, it is rebuilding its structure, and that is the moment to stop pressing the previous direction. From there it either returns to the same side, and the trend resumes, as it did here, or it crosses over to the opposite strong state, and the regime has changed. Same 6 states, read as a sequence. That turns Edo Structure into a filter you apply before the trade, not after it. The strong states are your permission to trade with the move, and the band gives you the reference to manage it, while price keeps pushing outside, the impulse is alive. The weak states ask for patience. The bias has not changed, but price is back inside the range, so entries are late and stops are wide. Warning asks for less exposure, and no trade simply says this chart cannot be classified right now, so trade a different one. Used that way, the indicator never tells you what to buy. It tells you whether the market deserves your risk right now, and that decision comes before any signal. Let's take a quick look at the settings. We open the panel by double-clicking the indicator. The first thing is sensitivity, which has 3 modes. Conservative filters more, and changes state more slowly, so it is the best fit for higher time frames. Balanced sits in between, stable but still responsive, and it is the recommended default. And aggressive reacts sooner to structural change, useful on lower time frames, but it asks for more discipline. Below that, a few visual switches. Show structure band draws the adaptive range around the line. Show context background tints the whole chart with the color of the active state. And show legend turns that reference table in the corner on or off. These are display choices, they do not change the reading. We cancel to keep the defaults. And when you are ready to automate it, just open the alert menu. Select Edo Structure as the condition. Now open this second list. These are the outputs you can build an alert on. You can trigger on the structure line itself, on the upper band, or on the lower band, and then simply choose how it fires. Set it once, and Edo Structure keeps watch on the market for you. And that is Edo Structure. 6 states, 1 structure line, 1 adaptive band, and a single coherent reading of the market structure, on any asset and any time frame. If you want access to Edo Structure, everything is on our website. Visit www.edolab.io. This is Edolab Markets, and we'll see you in the next video.